Let's talk about hardware, that is, opposing to software application or apps for short. We're not talking about hammers and screwdrivers, but computer hardware. Tools needed for making e-lessons are basically a computer with a microphone and a webcam. It can be a desktop or laptop computer. Most modern laptops come with built-in webcams and microphones. Desktops typically does not. Before we cover the things that is computer related, make sure there is no strong backlight. Backlight is the strong light behind you. Duh. Close the curtains or move the camera so there is no window, door or strong artificial light behind you. Having a lamp next to your computer screen are advisable for illuminating your face. Any old lamp will do, the softer the light, the more flattering. Next, and this is important, make sure you have an external microphone. That is to say, any microphone other than the microphone built into your laptop. The reason for this is manifold. Quality of an internal microphone is never great. There's just too much fan and circuit noise, and it's too far away from your mouth. Wired or USB microphones are awesome, but you will get a great result with the mobile hands-free kit that came with your phone. These hands-free kits are relatively inexpensive and can be found in any supermarket. Where to plug them in though? Some laptops have one socket for both earphones and microphones, much like your cell phone. If you look closely, you can see the engraving suggests it is for both. Other laptop models have two separate sockets for the earphones and microphones. Obviously, you want to plug it into the microphone socket as you will be recording your voice. Plug it in and make a test recording with Zoom or whichever recording program you prefer. I have a few videos about that. You can glean the blog or the playlist for more tips on recording. In fact, leave your own tips there. Now, for those who prefer a desktop computer, you would need a webcam if you don't already have one, and a sound card. Sound what? Don't worry, the majority of personal computers have a sound card built in already. If you play a video from YouTube and you can hear sound, you have a sound card. But where to plug in your microphone? Same as with laptops, you can look for the microphone engraving on the front of the casing. 90% will have it there. Otherwise, plug it into the pink socket at the back where all the wires are. Pink is the universal socket for a microphone on any computer. I hope your wire is long enough. The alternative is a gamer headset, call center clip-on mic, or a USB podcast mic. None of these are likely to be found in your supermarket, but a reputable electronics or computer shop in your local mall should be able to sort you out. Options and cost will vary a lot. Remember, the humble hands-free that you got with your cell phone is sufficient. Webcams are easy. They're always USB and plug and play, meaning you plug them in and the computer will do the rest. To recap, bright lights behind you is a total rookie mistake. Maybe have a lamp next to the screen. Using the laptop's internal microphone is inexcusable. Use an external microphone, any external microphone, and get it away from the computer and as close to your mouth as you can. Test and experiment, find out what works for you, and don't overthink it. Please like this video, subscribe to get updates, share the knowledge with your colleagues. Suggestions and questions can be left in the comment section of the blog or the YouTube page. I'm eager to hear your tips and tricks.